What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, January 10th, 2019. Bitcoin down today. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about the relation between Bitcoin markets today versus the last bear market. We're going to talk about Fibonacci and the importance right now, as of today, in this short to midterm support area that Bitcoin is in. Literally, as I do this video, it's something to watch out for today. Let's jump into the video, and we're here on the 2015 charts from that last bear market. If you're not familiar, we've been tracking it. We have this overextension in that bottom of around 60%, just under 60% overextension from this 200 EMA. We've been tracking it from when we were above $6,000, talking about the potential of that overextension to define the bottom for Bitcoin. Since then, we've obviously gotten very close. We have around 51% overextension from the 200 EMA. And just for reference, just so you know, that 60% overextension area right now, right around $2,200. Just want to throw that out there for you because we're going to revisit that in a couple minutes. So what we have right now, Bitcoin seeing rejection right below the 50 EMA right there, rejection right below the 50 EMA right here. It's been the story of Bitcoin in this bear market, and it's been the story of Bitcoin in the last bear market. Revisiting that last bear market, we've talked about this overextension bounce back to the 50 EMA. We were anticipating it, and it happened. Overextension bounce back to the 50 EMA, and then we have this pullback, and we were anticipating that. And then we have another bounce to the 50 EMA and another pullback. Finally, Bitcoin overcame the 50 EMA and had this grappling with the 50 EMA for a few months. Now, where does that leave us as of right now? Well, what I want to do is I want to visit the charts, and what I want to do is we take our Fibonacci, which we use all the time on this channel. It's proven so consistent, so helpful to us, and I want to take Fibonacci to that swing low down here to the swing high, and I want to see where is our channel. Our special 618 to 786 channel is right here, around $3,500 to around $3,350, right there. So there's our channel support for a potential bounce for Bitcoin. This is the support area that we're looking for. If we fall below that, I will most definitely be anticipating new lows down here in the $2,500 area. And just for reference, if you take our Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, we have the 1618 right down here, right in that channel, $2,400 to $2,500. And that's a huge target for this broadening falling wedge that you see on the screen. And it really will be a confirmation for a third touch at the bottom of this wedge if we get it. So that is the downside. We've been talking about this on the channel. Please just be aware of it, be ready for it. If you are keen on accumulating Bitcoin, there's potential that we get there if this short-term support right now does not hold. Now, revisiting that last bear market, I want to show you the support we did get from this swing low to swing high resistance was actually at the 618 to 786 channel. So you see the similarities of these bounces right now. You see the similarities in these Fibonacci retracements, and it is definitely, there's definitely true potential that we get similar support in this green 618 to 786 channel. And it could be a healthy move for Bitcoin. Obviously, we didn't break the neckline of this potential inverse head and shoulders. It failed. We knew it could, and you can see failure right there at the neckline, right there at the 50 EMA. That doesn't mean we won't have another shot at the 50 EMA, but right now the most important thing is to hold support right here at this Fibonacci channel. And lastly, I want to point out the consistencies in these rising wedges on the RSI in terms of momentum for Bitcoin. So you can see on the RSI back in this bear market bottom, Bitcoin, basically this was the retesting and overcoming of the 50 EMA. This is what the RSI looked like from its bottom in January to around March, mid-March. So that's a really important area to look at because right now we have a very similar rising wedge. So in terms of momentum, we really want to see if Bitcoin can hold in terms of these higher lows and higher highs. So right now, we definitely need Bitcoin to kind of stay above this bottom trend line. So that's something else to look for in terms of Bitcoin momentum. But other than that, here's the 4-hour chart. Zoom in a little bit, right above that 618 area. So if you want to watch anything today, that's what I'll be watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I appreciate all of you watching. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be tracking this thing pretty much on a daily basis. Appreciate all of you. I will see you all in the next video. Have an awesome day, and God bless.